Today we are in Aana Jacob&Co community. This is a new sales center. Look at this beautiful building and beautiful views. There will be promenade, there will be beach, there will be commercial spaces, there will be restaurants, and of course there will be buildings with apartments. You can see this beautiful sea, these beautiful views, and here you can see the road and the artificial island where will be Sha clinic with villas and hotel and clinic itself. I'm 100% sure it will be one of the hottest places in UAE because of everything, because of the environment, because of the sea, because of the clinic, because of the concept of the project. So this is Jacob&Co apartments, one of my favorite projects in the area. And I love to tell about this project to my clients and why this project is so attractive and what is an advantage if you invest in this project or you buy for yourself. So this is the first line of the Gulf, the lone beach, which is available, access will be only for the residents of Aana Jacob&Co, for residents of the apartments and residents of the villas. So there is a massive infrastructure in the project. So you can see many sport grounds, pools for adults and kids. You can have a promenade along the beach. You will have some retail spaces with restaurants or maybe some boutiques. And actually, if you are interested in commercial property, these retail spaces are for sale. So please let us know if you're interested in purchasing this space for maybe organizing a restaurant. So here is some lounges and some places for relaxation. And here you can see sports ground for paddle, for tennis and big pool. And all this area not available for the cars, it's only for walking. And this kids ground, the project you can see in the shape of J and C, which connects with the brand Jacob&Co. There are studios, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom apartments, 4 bedroom penthouses, and 3 bedroom duplexes with pools on the terrace. There will be strong connection with brand Jacob&Co because it will be branded lounge zone, will be branded like business lounge club and cigar club. There will be a massive lobby with 8 meters ceiling high and with a huge watches on the ceiling high. And there will be lounges with a direct sea view, and there will be bars and spa and Russian banya, and there will be quite a couple of quite famous brands of restaurants and actually banya and spa center. You will have direct access to the community Al-Jab, which is here, with infrastructure, access to infrastructure, to mall, sport grounds, to the international school and kindergarten and so on. And also there is a road which runs to the artificial island where will be Sha clinic, the famous clinic originally from Spain. This is the only clinic in the Middle East, and the residents of Aana Jacob&Co will have access to this clinic. You can see this, the community is spread between 2 sides of the canal, and here is there will be villas and there will be apartments and villas as well. So the connection between 2 parts of the community will be via these pedestrian bridges. It's very convenient to get from one side to another. Also there will be golf cars for more convenient moving between among the community. Of course, we like when we can see the sea from our windows, but still, some apartments will have view to this part of the community. There will be green area, and also there is a place of the old palace of the Sheikh Zayed. This is under refurbishment at the moment, and it will be kind of cultural center and center for events, and it will be a small museum dedicated to this part of the history of the United Arab Emirates. Would you like to wake up with this beautiful view? Just contact us and I will be happy to share more details and availability. See you on our YouTube channel.